Try 5 Chevy time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Yes, it is a true Bel Air. Original V8 car. Check its VIN. It's going to tell you VC. V8 car, Bel Air trim level. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that VIN tag and the rest of this car, undersides, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the chrome up front in this car. Small box Chevy underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Riding on American Classics polished wheels. Kumo radials. Got the gray and black vinyl cloth interior combination. Of course, bench seat up front. This car is equipped with AC. AC does blow cold. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nice chrome in that rear bumper. There are a few accessories that are going to come with this car too. Fender skirts, and then that spare tire package as far as holding from the rear bumper, the hardware, the cover, that beauty ring, all that will be included in this car. Was on it once upon a time, was removed, will be in the trunk. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there as we take a look down the driver's side of this car. Black paint shows well on it. You will find there's some imperfections, just kind of like that right there. Little spot in the trunk. Notice there's a little spot up on the hood. Overall, shows well though. You can see nice reflection, nice shine coming off of that car. Up here you'll see a nice reflection of the Cadillac sign on the wall. But it's black. It's tough to have a car if you're going to drive it a little bit. In black can be absolutely perfect, but does this one show well and turn heads? Absolutely. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. I do have pictures under the floor mats, with the floor mats out so you can see the carpeting. Carpeting is in fine shape. Those will be the still pictures, door panels, cloth and vinyl matching the seat. Very little wear, if any, on the seats. Free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner also nice shape on this car. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay here too. So easily it fires up. Again, small block Chevy. Aftermarket retro sound radio. Should say retro sound style radio. That's the exact brand, but that is in working order also. Wipers also worked. Tried those a bit ago. So car you can get in and drive, have some fun. Stay cool with the AC too. And who doesn't like a Tri-5 Chevy, especially in a 2-door hardtop? Nice sounding V8. Nothing crazy over the top cam wise or any wild loud exhaust. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood open. Engine bay. Edelbrock carb, FYI, Edelbrock intake. There's a 4-barrel on there. Be able to get a shot of the data tag, and again that VIN tag in with the still pictures. I can do any deciphering on there or not. Sounds good. Good runner. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.